Hey everybody, it's Max at Village Honda. Today I'm in a 19 Odyssey Touring, and I'm going to show you how the cabin control app works on your smartphone. Once you've downloaded the cabin control app on your phone and paired it with the vehicle's Wi-Fi network, when you open up the app, it's automatically going to find the vehicle. So at that point, you can control a lot of different things from the phone at different areas of the vehicle. So it is meant for people not necessarily in the front row, but if you have kids in the back or anything like that, they can actually control radio stations and where they're going, what they want to listen to, climate control for them, as of course the controls are up here in the front, and say if they wanted to lower that temperature, then they have that option. Navigation and entertainment can all be controlled from your phone on this app that's really easy to set up and really convenient for everybody to use in the vehicle. Thanks everybody for watching my videos on the 2019 Odyssey today. I hope I was able to help you out with any questions that you had. If you have any more, come see me, Max at Village Honda. Have a great day.